Hello Fly Babies and patrons, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today we're continuing the wisdom of finally loving yourself by talking about our free day and how appropriate for loving yourself. Your free day is the day that you take away from basic weekly plan items, away from zone cleaning or zone decluttering. Today is the day that we do our routines and our routines only. So let's go over that. What does that mean? It means that you still get up at your regular time and you do your morning routine. You follow that with your children's morning routines if you have children. And then you go straight into your laundry routine and your paper routine if you still have one. So for me, on my free day, it means that I do my morning routine. I have no children. I have very little laundry because it's just the two of us. I don't do laundry on this day. I don't do paper on this day. And then, but you might have to, so don't not do it if you have a need to do it. But still, again, laundry and paper are very little. And then that's it. You are free for the rest of the day as far as doing FlyLady system until after dinner routine and later the before bed routine for yourself and your children. That's it. And so you'll notice that when you get these routines so that you're doing them like a slinky down the stairs, they happen pretty quickly. And before you know it, you don't have anything to do. So as far as FlyLady things in your home go, you might still have things to do. You probably still have children to care for or pets to care for, or you might have a job. It doesn't matter. This is your free day, so everything else is out of it. So when you do have that spare time, you are going to rest. You're going to take care of yourself. This is a day for you to take advantage of pampering yourself. Do you get your nails done? Maybe this is the day you make that plan. Or if you don't get your nails done, maybe this is the day you give yourself a manicure or a pedicure or both. How about a facial? There's so many things you can do to pamper yourself. Maybe you just really want to read for 2 hours and you have time to do that. Do it. This is your free day. Maybe this is a day you want to take a walk. Just a walk, not a I've got to walk to get these pounds off. A casual, beautiful walk or hike. Maybe that's something you enjoy. Do that. Maybe you want to go window shopping or actually shopping. Maybe there are some clothes that you've been wanting to buy, that you've been waiting to buy, you've saved up for, budgeted for. This is the day, your free day. Maybe this is a day you're going to have lunch with a friend. Whatever it is, this is the day to do it. This is your free day. So you're free from doing, just as a repeat for you, you're free from doing a basic weekly plan. That means that you're not grocery shopping or thinking about grocery shopping and planning your menu or paying bills or balancing the checkbook. You're not cleaning your car or your purse. You're not doing any of those things. You are having a day to yourself. The other days that are similar to this are your family fun day and renew your spirit day. But this one is the day that's just about you. And you know what? There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Have a wonderful day and always remember that you are beautiful. Make sure you go watch Nikki put this into videography for you at Inspired by Nikki, and her link is right there.